I'm Rupal Patel. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with VCU Health. I'm specialized in hip and knee problems and do the hip and knee replacement and revision reconstruction surgeries. I usually start treatment with a non-surgical treatment for hip and knee problems, which usually can be treated that way. And that can include using the brace application or pain medicine, local application pain medicine, physical therapy, exercises, and various kind of injections. When non-surgical treatment fails and if it comes to the surgery, I specialize and I have a special interest in minimally invasive anterior hip replacement surgery, where you do not have to cut muscles, you go in between muscles and perform hip surgery, which provides safe and easy and a quicker recovery. I'm also specialized in robotic assisted hip and knee replacement surgery, where we can use state-of-the-art robot, which helps me provide more precise joint replacement. Being academic center and a larger institute at VCU, we have all ancillary services right under one umbrella, which includes physical therapy, all kind of durable medical equipments, the state-of-the-art robot, rehab facility, and all advanced imaging. That provides complete recovery starting from non-operative treatment all the way to the state-of-the-art safe surgery and up to the full recovery from hip and knee problems. So most of the time these patients have very good outcome, they are happy, they come for the follow-up and they say that I'm able to enjoy my life.